Hi guys, and welcome back to the IABA YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about spring cleaning as it is currently the correct season for it. Spring cleaning isn't just a regular clean of your house. This is one of those deep cleans where the whole house gets cleaned and decluttered. Over the year, with celebrations such as birthdays, Eid, Halloween, Diwali, Hanukkah, and Christmas, a lot of unneeded clutter may start to build up in your home, taking up space that could be put to better use. Spring cleaning represents a fresh start and is normally done throughout the spring and summer seasons every year, hence the name spring cleaning. A common part of the house that often gets neglected is the ceiling and light fixtures. As they do not regularly get cleaned, they tend to collect a lot of dust over time. So it's time to get out the stepladder and start dusting. Also, as you are dusting your ceilings, it may be beneficial to check your smoke alarm batteries just to be on the safe side. While walking in and out of your house, you bring a lot of dirt and bacteria into your home, especially during the colder months when it is damp and muddy outside. Therefore, when entering your own home or somebody else's home, it is common practice to take off your shoes unless it is a gathering of some sort. Mold, dust, and loose pet hair often builds up over the colder months, which means there is less chance of air circulation. Whereas if you dust regularly, you will cause less sniffles, as it is not only just the cold weather that causes those. During the colder months, rain often causes dust and pollen to stick to the windows, making them appear smudged and dirty. For this reason, it is best to undergo window cleaning during spring and summer. Using glass cleaner for your windows will remove stains and smudges. Just make sure that you use it on a cloudy day to ensure that the sun won't dry out the cleanser before you are done wiping. Your fridge freezer should be cleaned regularly. However, during the summer season, it is best to delay your weekly shopping by 1 day or two so you can wipe down your fridge and defrost the freezer. Ice buildup occurs when warm, humid air encounters the cold evaporator coils in your freezer. Due to this, you should defrost your freezer at least once a year, for example, when spring cleaning. If you do not regularly clean your home, you are practically inviting things in that are attracted to dirt and warmth into your home, such as rodents and bugs. A spring clean can help you avoid the spread of bacteria and disease. Constantly sanitizing around pet food bowls and especially your bins is very important, as these areas in your home are most likely to encounter food and liquid spills, which entices rodents and bugs more than anything else. When it comes to spring cleaning, it is not all about cleaning per se. It is also about organizing your wardrobe. During spring and summer, the clothes you wear will be much lighter than the winter clothing you was wearing before. Therefore, you should take your time to go through your wardrobe and put the much heavier clothing such as hoodies, jumpers, and jogging bottoms towards the back, and bring your t-shirts, dresses, and shorts to the front. When organizing your wardrobe, there are questions you should ask yourself, such as, why didn't I wear them? Are they still my style? Do I still like them anymore? Will I wear them again next summer? And the most important question, do they fit me? Are they too big or too small? This question is important to us, IABA, as many people would throw them away, but we urge you not to. If you are decluttering your house anytime soon, or already have, instead of throwing away your clutter and clothing, please bag it up and donate it to our partners, Ryder, who will be able to donate those items to those most in need. As they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. There are many benefits to spring cleaning, and these both can be physical and mental health benefits. For example, when your house is tidy, there is less chance of misplacing things, which will reduce the chance of stress occurring. It is also physically helpful, as cleaning your house keeps you very active and burns many calories. It is ironic that keeping your house intact will keep yourself intact as well. Also, it has many health benefits, as a clean environment minimizes the chances of catching illness. Everybody knew the importance of cleaning beforehand, but ever since COVID, everybody has been reassured on how to importantly clean and what the importance of cleaning can do. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment down below if you regularly have a spring clean yourself. Also, it would be much appreciated if you could like and share this video, and please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.